Okay, so we've been waiting for this guy. He's hosting now. He said he was gonna start it. This is ridiculous. It has been forever with this guy. I don't even know what we're waiting for anymore. This is ridiculous. I don't even know why we're still waiting with this guy. Let me show you what time it is now. It's 11:04. It's been 20 minutes. It has to be at least 20 minutes. We play this guy. Ridiculous. Yeah, like, look at this. I've been still sitting here waiting. Yeah, he ended the lobby. There's no way this kid's playing us. This is ridiculous. I'm just gonna report we won. Thank you.